Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a small device that is really helpful if you want to switch between your Android Auto or CarPlay versus external quick charging. So this is a video that I made based off a request came from a forum asking how you keep your phone while using Android Auto. So I thought of making this video how I keep my phone if I use Android Auto or CarPlay. So I'm not a Android Auto or CarPlay person. I like to use my phone, and the phone has everything I need, and the head unit is only used for multimedia purpose. So yes, some may say you can split screen your phone and you have the maps on top, and you can have a video call or whatever app on the bottom of the screen. So this is for those who don't want to use a split screen mode, or they have a phone that does not support that kind of functionality. If someone wants to use Android Auto on their head unit, let's say they want to project the Google Maps to their head unit and have a video call on your phone or a regular call on your phone, you can do that. And I'm using something called a USB switch. So all it does is the cable coming from the phone connects to the top of the USB switch, and it has two switches, mode 1 and mode 2. Mode 1 is connected to the head unit USB side, and mode 2 is connected to a quick charger that I have on my car. So when the car starts, it's on mode 1, it's on Android Auto, and if I want to switch to the only quick charging mode and not have Android Auto, I click on the USB switch to mode 2 and it goes to the quick charging mode. So I know this talking doesn't make much sense. Let me show you in practice how this small device, USB switch, not C, USB switch, can be used for this kind of application. And based on my previous videos, I'm using ProClip USA, the left pillar mount, so my view is not obstructed. It's all on the left pillar, the phone is, and it's really sturdy, and I don't know what to say. This is really sturdy for me, and I really like it. And yeah, without talking too much, let's go into the video and show how this small device help you to have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and if you want to switch to just charging mode, how to switch. So let me try to show the wire setup I have. So I have a USB-C 90-degree cable coming through this rubber beading, goes all the way down here onto the knee airbag area. Let me try to show the best I can. So that cable comes in right here, goes into the center panel area. So that cable is coming behind this trim piece, and behind that trim piece comes here onto the USB-C switch, and the Android Auto or CarPlay comes from the USB-C port from the head unit, another 90-degree cable, so I can mount my scan gauge 2 cleanly. So this is a 90-degree USB-A cable coming there into the first port of the USB switch, and here I have a quick charging unit right here, and another USB-A 90-degree cable coming onto the second port of the switch. So this is really important. You have to have the Android Auto or CarPlay cable coming onto the port 1. Otherwise, at least this switch doesn't work properly. If I want to switch it to the charging mode, I just click onto the 2. Right now this is on the charging mode, so no Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The phone is now on charging mode. So while you're on charging mode, you can have your split screen or whatever way you want. You can have your maps on the bottom or top side. On the top you can have a WhatsApp video call or whatever. So that's the wiring setup I have. So when you are on mode 1 or option 1 on the USB switch, you have the Android Auto or CarPlay. You can use maps here, and you can have your WhatsApp or whatever thing you want on your phone right here. So pretty convenient. And if you want to switch it to the power mode, you can click here to the mode 2, and then your phone will be on charge only mode. So pretty convenient for me. So that's the setup I have. Alright, I hope this small video was helpful and informative to you, and let me know if you have any questions. Until we see on the next video. Thanks for watching.